Kum kadak ban Pynrem jur halor ka jing Shah panyap bat Shah le be ijat ka wena ka Doktor badang Shah hikai ha RG Medical College pat hospital ki bor panyat ka Bethany hospital nong po haringkat ki Doktor ki nurse menta ka jan me ka khan diu trek unailar ki lapen long da ka jing Thang Mombati kum ka jing sngulam ya ka Doktor bat ki bahaying hasem ki balamat ikani ka jing ja ka basngusi u Doktor CM Poshna lembat ki be ki Doktor ki lapen pau ba kines no okti lang bat pen pau ka jing persha halor ka ni ka jing Shah panyap ka Doktor kumbalaya ki da ki Doktor hakal lengkari India kum ka jinges no okti lang halor kani ka jing Shah apanyap kani ka Doktor ha Kolkata nakalyang ki bor pniat ka Bethany Outreach Hospital kin khang ya ka OPD ha ka khatnyau tarik unailar ka balong kum kadak ba ki sngosi ka thang halor ka jing Shah apanyap ka te ka Doktor ha Kolkata.
That's a few days for us. A member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence, which is beyond uh, thinkable. She had suffered so much, and that too in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of uh, the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female uh, uh, workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work. The environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in the government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace. Yes. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for, just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors' fraternity of the country, we from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Now, other works, emergency works will continue.